Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to trim video in VLC Media Player. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step is to open the video we want. Right-click, Play with VLC. Now click on View and activate Advanced Options. Now we position ourselves in the part that we want the trimming to start, and click here, then play. And in my case, I want it to end at second 8, so I will stop the video at second 8 and click here. Well, now let's go to the videos. We'll see that we already have the video here and it's 8 seconds long. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.